Jump onto that train. Tremendous pain and no complaint. I know you got to hold me tight. I will be cruising through that